Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on because Airdrop uses both. This ensures discovery and transfer reliability. Open Finder and choose Go Airdrop or press Shift-Command-R to jump straight in. Once the Airdrop pane appears, pick Contacts only for privacy or Everyone to simplify pairing. Make sure your Mac is awake and unlocked. By taking these steps now, you reduce interruptions and let devices find each other fast, which speeds the next transfer actions. You drag one or multiple files onto the visible recipient icon. Airdrop queues them and negotiates a direct peer connection. Alternatively, right-click a file, choose Share, then Airdrop to pick a device. This helps when Finder focus is elsewhere. Make sure the recipient's device name and thumbnail match who you intend to send to, because accepting prompts are per device. Once transfer starts, progress indicators show. You can cancel if needed, but let the small files finish to avoid corruption. You tell the recipient to accept the incoming transfer. They'll choose whether to save to downloads or open in a specific app, which explains where your file ends up. After the transfer completes, verify file integrity by opening it. If it fails, resend. If devices don't appear, toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth off and on, ensure both devices are awake and unlocked, and set Airdrop visibility to everyone temporarily. This common troubleshooting step resolves most connectivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.